Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. This is advice for new YouTube posters, number 14, I think. I do believe this is Poppy's advice for new YouTube creators, number 14. Don't mix your operating systems. Too many people have been having problems mixing Android and Microsoft and iPhone and other weird telephone brands. I was trying using, let me go get it, the box at least. I was using this, because taking my compact laptop and the camera and the mouse and the power supply and all that out to the shop. I mean, that was a 4-hour ordeal. One trip. I get back in, got to sit down, catch my breath, avoid an ambulance ride. So I was trying using this here as my camera to record out there. No good. No good. Killed the SD card. Neither the Android nor any of my Microsoft stuff will recognize that SD card. It may be this. It may be this piece of shit machine. I frankly think whoever made this, they call it, this is for a kiddie. This is for kids. They put all kinds of kiddie program on it, right? I think whoever manufactured this piece of shit hates children and possibly hates Android too. So they wanted to screw up both children and Android with one product. I thought I heard something. So anyway, don't mix your operating systems. If you're Microsoft for your posting and processing, have your filming, or I should say recording, be Microsoft. It's okay to use SD cards to move from camera to computer, but they gotta be the same OS. So this family of OS, operating systems. I mean, there are a lot of flavors of Windows. Right. Pretty much the files one Windows machine will create with a standard extension, another Microsoft machine will read. Okay? I've heard too many people complaining about they lost files going from one machine to another and they weren't the same operating system. I'm not going to talk about things like GoPros, although I've heard Well, I guess I'm talking about them. I've heard a lot of other YouTube creators complaining that battery in my GoPro went dead and I lost 45 minutes of irreplaceable footage. The SD card went to crap. Stuff like that. I think there's someone here.